Welcome back to my channel. Today I teach the WordPad. How can we use the WordPad? First open the start button, click the start button and write its WordPad and here you open. Suppose you write the headline first. Can change the font style. I take its Royal Black and change the size and can click bold and underline and change the color and take it center and write it whatever you want. Example, introduction introduction of computer. Suppose you write side heading, change the font size. Example, whatever you want. Take its punch it and change it size 16 and I remove the bold option and only choose the underline option and you can choose the right align and change the color because it is like the difference. Try the subheading and computer. Can be easily right, huh? It writes information. What do you want? Change the size and most of the computer selected on Calibri and remove the underline and choose the LaTeX and click the option of justify. It automatically click take and change the color black. It writes. Suppose uh, computer is a device. And can click here. Whatever I write is example can be changed. Can click here and in manually click example. I take left 1.5 and it always because I take 1.5 and line is 1.5. Sorry. Line can change here. Example, I take it's 2 and center, click OK. Can be changed automatically. The gap is more. Can suppose change here. Click the date. Example, today date is 11 2024. Many of the option. Example, uh, 11 October 2024, Friday 11 October 2024. And click here and enter many option. Time to indicated. Whatever you want. Um, this option is most of the use. Microsoft Excel chart. You can other software open in this app and paste paste it paste it easily. Hmm? Can change it. Suppose uh, Microsoft worksheet. I okay. It can be whatever I write. Uh, Example 54 plus 54 45 4 enter. Whatever I create in this page, um, they come and you can paste it. It is best option the WordPad. And another option, uh, example, I take the picture. Example, click here and open it. It take time, so and suppose when you complete, take back enter. Otherwise, in this portion, in this space, take the page. Mm, Example, find text. Example, whatever I write, computer. Hmm? Find uh, computer. Find find it. In this page, whatever computer have, find it. Hmm? replace. Uh, Suppose device. Hmm, I can click here and replace button click and balloon. I write its information. Replace it. Replace it. Suppose uh, I can find all replace. Can replace whatever I write the text. Information take select all means control. Um, Other option you can cut, copy, paste, another option, and example another option. Suppose click here and whatever I write it's come. Uh, Suppose taka. Hmm? Whatever it is can you use, it is not necessary, but you can read, it is information, then you choose it and click here and suppose name, it comes shorts and click here, it's come per. Can you how to use per 223 23 directly selected this because 23 and click here whatever write the mathematical form. mm, so suppose 45 this information, uh, 34 it's come under. mm, and it can be used square root, uh, 34 square root 2 into 2, sorry, 2 into 2 and back it can be used. uh, Suppose mm, change the info color. Suppose it is not, click here and change it whatever you want. Choose the red, the white, take white because I click the uh, white, black, red, it not show its. uh, I change its yellow. Hmm? And click it change it blue, and its color change its I red. Hmm? In this portion, hmm, you want change the color. Can click green. Huh? Green. Another view. Zoom in or zoom out. It 100%. You can click 100%. Status bar. It can be changed full portion. And another option, wrap to roll. Commits. Measurements unit. And centimeter. Uh, Suppose I can point it. Come point. And pic picas. It can be picas. Inches. Commonly used inches. Many option, and file and go save. Can save its, suppose save, it is save. But many options are I can teach for you. Please subscribe my channel or like it. Suppose you want